So mag-walking lang tayo guys, papunta doon sa may Hopi Waterfalls. So nandito lang siya malapit sa mga neighborhood dito. Yan yung mga bahay nila dito. Simple lang. Hello.
Is this one of the falls?
Yes.
Yeah. It is? Okay.
This looks very intimidating, but
Yeah.
it's like
Opens
a
up.
a yard.
All right. Thank you.
5 yards you're out of it
All right.
and you don't even notice.
Thank you.
It's kind of weird.
You never would have found
Oh, okay.
That's why in the book. In
Wow.
the book it says it's very hard to find stuff like this.
I see. Oh my God, this is so nice, guys. Look at this.
Feel it?
Oh, wild plants. Wow. Yan oh, tumutubo lang pala yan dito oh. Ang ganda. Oh, this is so cool. Wow. Yan, kusa lang pala yung tumutubo yung mga halaman na to. Yung ganito oh, ganito. Yung ganito. Yan siya, para lang siyang mga damo. Yan, let's follow the trail daw guys. This is kind of hidden place, right? Yan, tingnan nyo guys. Oh, yan. Ganda. Ang ganda.
Big field out here.
Ha?
Big field out here.
Yan, nasa jungle na talaga. Parang nasa jungle na kami dito. This is neat.
Like goats or something like that.
Tingnan niya yan, oh.
A lot of places you put, okay?
Ang daming baging dito, oh. Ha? Ang ganda yan guys, oh. Nag-start lang siya sa ganito, di ba? Tapos lalaki siya na parang ganito na, oh, hanggang ganyan, hanggang ganyan. Yan. Masukal dito. Pero yung pinaka-entrada niya medyo weird kasi ano, di mo akalain doon dadaan. Okay, let's continue walking. Malapit na yata tayo sa falls. Ang galing ng branches na to guys, oh. I think we're getting closer. The problem is when we go up again, now it's gonna be hard. Going down is easy. Not that steep. Ah, okay. Not too bad. This is like a hidden Hopi Falls waterfall, right? Because remember, the entrance is hard to find. You cannot even tell unless people come out there. Otherwise, we keep looking and look.
Like this, you trail that way. I thought it was a joke.
Looks like a joke, right?
I saw somebody walking out of the woods.
Yeah. They should put a big sign.
Wow.
Ang daming posos, guys.
I'll
Oh.
fall down there.
Yeah. I can hear the falls. I should wear my shoes. I didn't know we're going today. Unplanned. You're right, not too bad. Byron, it's better you walk here with the shoes though. Di pa naman ako nakapag-shoes guys kasi wala kaming plan na pupunta dito na area. Eh dahil meron kaming time kaya pinuntahan na lang namin to. Naku, pababa pala to. Dito tayo. Kasi para siyang merong steps. Malayo pa pala eh. Kala ko dito na. Ayan oh, yung mga tao nandun sa unahan. Wow, there's a lot of this kind. Look at this. Yeah. Wow. These are big. Ang ganda nito guys, oh. Naalala ko itong sa amin eh, sa Pilipinas. Meron akong ganito, oh. Wow, it's like a river. That's neat. Stream. So I think we continue walking here. Masukal pala dito guys. Ayan na yung makahiya, oh. Yan, binibenta yan doon sa ano, farmer's market. Here's the makahiya, like shy, see? This shy. See? That's a grass. So where we go? Oh, we go here.
I think so. That's just down the water, I think, right?
Oh, yeah. Let's continue walking. They have a lot of nice plants around here. And those are very expensive. Wow. I thought it's closer. It's not that close, right? Looks like far.
You want to walk about 100 yards.
Huh?
You walk a very short distance.
A lot of fern. See the fern?
Yep.
That's the fern. Ang ganda rin to. Tumutubo lang siya dito sa may old branches.
Yes.
Is it rubber? No. It's not rubber. Naku-curious lang ako dito sa mga tanim nila dito guys. Sa mga wild na mga halaman. Ito siya para siyang may dots yan. Oh, diba? Siguro malapit na talaga kami kasi palakas na yung sound ng waterfalls. Hinihingal na ako. Baka may naligo doon sa baba. We're getting there. I heard people, maybe they're taking a bath there. Pagod na ako guys. Siguro may ano dito, daanan dito pababa. Ayun ang waterfalls. Hanap tayo ng magandang view. Okay. Yeah. Because waterfall is right there, see?
Yeah.
Very steep to, pababa. Wow! I'm good.
That's not right here.
People are swimming there. Dito na tayo sa may Hopi Waterfalls, guys. Ayan, may nagsiswimming doon, oh.
Slippery. Use gravel. Really careful. Jump it in.
Wow. No, I'm good with that. Kulay itim yung ano, rocks. Wow. That's nice. Yan yung Hopi Waterfall. Akala ko mataas talaga siya, hindi naman. Let's see around here. Magtampisaw tayo dito sa tubig.